In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users and teams in ClickUp. Whether you're just starting with ClickUp or looking to expand your team's collaboration, understanding how to invite people efficiently is crucial. Let's dive right into it. To begin with, inviting people to your workspace in ClickUp is a task reserved for workspace owners or admins. This means you'll need to have those privileges to proceed with sending invites. Now let's focus on inviting people using the web or desktop application, as this tends to be the most straightforward approach. In the lower left corner of your ClickUp sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Invite. Clicking on this will open up the invite dialog. Here, you can enter the email addresses of those you'd like to invite. If you're planning to invite multiple people at once, you can do so easily. Just separate each email address with a comma. This allows you to efficiently manage and send invites to multiple team members without having to send individual invitations, streamlining your workflow. Once you've entered the email addresses, you'll need to determine the role each invitee will play within your workspace. ClickUp offers two primary roles, admin and member. Deciding which role to assign is important as it dictates what permissions and access levels each person will have. Admins will have greater control and can essentially manage workspace settings and other users, making them suitable for managerial positions or team leads. Members, on the other hand, will have access that allows them to participate and collaborate actively, but without the ability to change settings or manage other users. So, think about what level of access you want to give each invitee before making your selection. After you've made your role selections, you're ready to send out the invitations. A simple click on the Invite button will dispatch invitation emails to the people you selected. These emails will guide them through the process of joining your workspace, ensuring they can seamlessly start collaborating with you and the rest of your team. It's that simple. By following these steps, you can easily bring new people into your ClickUp workspace, enhancing your team's collaboration and productivity. Remember, if you're an admin or workspace owner, you have the power to invite new individuals, so use this ability to continually engage and expand your team, ensuring you have the right people with the right access. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to explore ClickUp's help resources or reach out to their support for more guidance. That's all for today's lesson. With these steps, you'll have no trouble inviting users and teams in ClickUp, setting up a collaborative and efficient workspace for whatever projects and tasks you have at hand. Happy collaborating!